Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with your Chicago Business Today midday report. Shares of Groupon dropped by about 12% in early trading this morning as investors react to the company's restating of its only quarterly results since its IPO. Groupon now says it lost about $65 million in the fourth quarter instead of about $43 million, though its cash flow didn't change. But it underscores the complexities of a new business model early in its public ownership. And for more, I'm joined by Crain senior reporter John Pletz. John, why is it that Groupon had to restate their earnings, and what kind of message is it sending here?
Well, Groupon's experimenting with some new businesses, and that's everything from LASIK surgery to travel. And those higher ticket items, when customers seek refunds, mean you have to put a lot more money back out. Groupon doesn't have a lot of history with these. These are new businesses. They're still figuring out how to do the accounting. Still
a little bit of Wild West, so to speak. And then obviously the track record that Groupon has with accounting doesn't necessarily bode well for something like this to happen so early in, being public. What kind of long-term effects might that have in the minds of investors?
Well, the downside of being a pioneer means you sometimes get arrows in the back, and this is one of those cases. The problem for Groupon long-term is that it's not just having an accounting issue. That in and of itself probably wouldn't be a big problem, but you've got to remember that a lot of the questions that were raised during Groupon's IPO run were about their accounting, so the benefit of the doubt for them is gone at this point.
Okay, John, well, it's going to be interesting to watch. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Elsewhere today, United and Continental Airlines each dropped in performance ratings this year, according to an annual report by Purdue and Wichita State Universities. Both ranked in the lower third among 15 major airlines based on customer complaints, on-time arrivals, mishandled luggage, and overbooked flights. They bucked the trend overall, in which airlines showed a ratings increase on the whole to their highest level in 22 years, according to the study. United and Continental each improved in just one of the four criteria, overbooking, but slipped in the other three measures. Discount carriers like AirTran and JetBlue, meanwhile, led the rankings for the second straight year. And that's what's happening in Chicago Business Today. Be sure to check out Crain's list of best places to work in this week's print edition or at chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.